everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing a set of Louis Vuitton nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with my Color Club polish in the color Just My Luck, and I'm doing that on the ring fingers. Next I'm going to go in with the color Bubble Bath, and I'm going to be using that as a base for a chrome that I'm going to be using, which will actually be like one of the fairy dust chromes, and those are going to be the nails with the Louis Vuitton symbols on them. So I'm going to do that to the pinky and the index finger, and then the other two I'm just going to do plain hot pink, which will be the same hot pink that I have on my nails. Alrighty, so again, we're doing this pink on the middle finger and the thumb, and this is in the color Fuchsia Touch by D&D, and that's the same color that I have on my nails. And then as always, we're going to be curing all of these for 30 seconds. So we're doing Fuchsia Touch on the middle finger and the thumb. We have the Bubble Bath by OPI on the pinky and the index finger, and we have Just My Luck by Color Club on the ring finger. So same thing for the other hand. We're going to go ahead and do the Just My Luck on the ring finger, and then same thing, we're doing the hot pink on the middle finger and the thumb, and Bubble Bath on the ring finger, sorry, the pinky and the index finger. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat. So I'm doing the 2 coats on the hot pink nails, but then I'm only going to be doing 1 coat of the Bubble Bath. So you will see me come through and do the IBD gel top coat on the pinky and the index finger, because I'm going to be doing the chrome on them. So I just wanted that base, like that pink base for those nails, but for the chrome you do have to use a non-cleanse top coat, and I believe that non-cleanse and non-wipe is the same thing. I know I had someone ask me that in my email this morning, so just to clarify, non-cleanse top coat and non-wipe top coat are the same ones, and that's what you need to do the chrome nails. And just a little reminder that when I'm doing the chrome, I want to make sure that I only cure the top coat for 60 seconds. That's what works for me. Now for you, it might be a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on your light as well as what top coat you're using. But if I cure for too long, the chrome will not stick to the nail. And then if I cure for not enough time, then the top coat is still going to be sticky. So we're going to go ahead and finish off this hand, and then we're going to get to the chrome. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with the chrome, and I'm just using a makeup wedge punch, and I'm just rubbing that on the nail. As you can see, it goes on really good, and then I am going to come back and do a top coat on those too, because these are the nails that I'm doing the Louis Vuitton logos on. So if I mess up, I can just take it off without having to worry about messing up the chrome. So again, we apply the chrome, and then we come back and do another top coat, and then cure for another 60 seconds. So same thing for this hand, we're just dipping our sponge into the chrome, rubbing it on the nail, and that's for any chrome, whether it's the holographic one, the silver one, or this fairy dust one. You can just use your makeup wedge sponge, or you can, sometimes people use like their finger or however you like to do it, but this is what works for me. But again, we're gonna do a top coat, and then you should, or you probably already seen me like wiping the sides of the nails off with my finger. And what I'm doing there is literally just making sure that the gel polish doesn't take away from my shape. I know a lot of people ask about that, like how do you keep your shape after doing gel polish? And that's literally what I do. I kind of just gently wipe the sides to where I'm still leaving top coat there, but it's not taking away from my shape, if that makes sense. But anyways, now for our nail art, I'm going to be using the same color, which is the Fuchsia Touch by D&D, and then I'm also going to be using Lemon Juice, which is also by D&D, and I'm using one of my small nail art brushes, and I'm just going to be doing the L and the V, and then I'm also going to be doing a few of their other little parts of their logo, I guess it's their logo. But again, this is just the Fuchsia Touch and Lemon Juice by D&D, and these are the regular nail polishes. For the other nails, they were all gel polished, but for the nail art, I'm using the regular nail polish. And you can use whatever colors you want, whether you want to mix in different colors with the Louis Vuitton symbols. I only decided to use 2 because her nails weren't as long, so I didn't want everything to look, you know, really cluttered. So you can use however many colors, but again, I'm just using the Fuchsia Touch and Lemon Juice, and this is just a small nail art brush. You can either use a short one or a long one, whatever you feel comfortable with, but you could pull up a picture of the little logo so you can have something to go by, but this is just how I do it. Alrighty, so after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply the bling. So I'm going to be using some bigger pieces. So I applied my hard gel. With my wax pencil, I'm picking up my big pieces, just doing a little cluster right in the middle with 3 pieces, and then just curing that for 30 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand as well with the Louis Vuitton symbols, and then we're gonna finish off the bling nails. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the bling on this one as well. So again, we just apply the hard gel, place our pieces right in the center on top of the hard gel, and then curing them for 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and start on my other one, which is already cured. We're applying the Mia Secret gel resin, and with my wax pencil, I'm just picking up my SS6 and SS12 AB rhinestones and just filling in the rest of the nail with those. And remember, just add more of the Mia Secret gel resin as you go. Alrighty, and once we finish filling in the nail, I like to just go in with that same glue around the perimeter of the nail just to make sure that the bling stay on really good, and then spraying it with the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator, which helps that glue dry a lot faster. And after that, we're going to go ahead and apply the IBD gel top coat on all of the nails and curing them for 60 seconds, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other hand. Alrighty, so same thing, we're going in with the Mia Secret Gel Resin. We're applying the bling around the nail, making sure that we alternate between the sizes. So again, that's SS6 and SS12. The SS6 are the smaller ones, and then the SS12 are the bigger ones. So just alternate between the two different sizes and just work your way around the perimeter of the nail and just fill in the nail as you go and adding glue as you need it as well. And then sealing the outside of the nail with the glue, and then spraying the activator, and then lastly we do the IBD gel top coat on all of the nails and curing for 60 seconds. Alrighty y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out so pretty. Those two colors just look great together, and that bling is just so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys next time.